Hello everyone, welcome to today's guest internet video. We've already prepared a video explaining how you can buy Wi-Fi with mobile money using your phone, and on this video I want to explain how the mobile money system works for the people who want to install it. Well, the guest internet system is a controller and a wireless access point like this GISR4, which connects to the wireless access point, and this is installed in the community. Now, the guest internet controller is managed from a cloud, which means a service located somewhere in the world that you will connect with and manage this service. The mobile money system is another software also in the cloud that works with the guest internet cloud. So you don't physically have a server, you have a service which you will contract to work with the mobile money, and then you'll get access to it. Now, the software for the mobile money is a separate installation. So once you bought the guest internet controller, you also then buy the installation for the software, and that includes a custom installation. So you get a custom login page, you're able to identify what you want to offer, for example, one-day connection and how much that will cost, okay? And once you've set that up, there's a monthly payment for the mobile money service, and when somebody connects to the Wi-Fi system with their phone, then they select the option they want and then go to the payment and pay with the mobile money credit that's on the phone. Now, the great thing about this system is that there is no limit to the number of locations. Now, you can have as many of these controllers in different locations as you want, all working with one mobile money processing system. So you can have 1,000 of these spread around the country, one mobile money system, people paying at any one of these locations with their phones, and you're collecting the money through one gateway. So this is a very powerful system. It's designed for businesses, for people who want to build large systems and expand. We already have customers using these with hundreds of controllers to make a citywide or a countrywide system. If you want more information, we can provide a lot of technical information for you. If you're a technical person who wants to install this for a community or build out a system for several communities, we have just the information for you. Please contact us. We'd be delighted to help you out. In fact, if you're building a large system, we can give you a free consultation and help you with your system design. Okay? So thanks for watching. Please contact us and we'd be very happy to help you. See you next time.